Hey y'all, Chris from Keyfarm. So here is the current situation. You have seen this truck in many different forms. You saw it with a Predator 212 up here. That's the 670. The last time you saw it, it had 5-foot tires right there. And wait a minute, it must have been really cold in the river because things have shrunk up a little bit. So I've mounted the axle right behind the cab. Well, not even right behind the cab. I had to cut out the cab corner. And then I had an idea. Why don't I weight the back, and every time I hit the gas, this thing will do a wheelie. So we're going to try it. One of those barrels right there is already full of water. This one is currently filling up. The only thing, when I do a wheelie, this thing doesn't have any back brakes. All the steering and all the brakes are on the axle that I'm trying to take off the ground. Some of my plans here lately haven't been very well thought out. Alright y'all, keep watching. Alright y'all, so I gotta pull out on the road and get it straight and get down, kind of down the hill a little bit. If it's too light in the front end, it won't steer or stop. I'm a little nervous. Alright, now that we're down here on the flat where I can't get in too much trouble, I'm going to see if I can get it to pull the front wheels off the ground. It is still geared extremely low from when it had the big tires on it. If you haven't seen that video, it's right here. Pretty awesome. Probably going to have to try starting out in third gear. We may have to go back and add weight. See what happens. Back up there. I think they do. Back up there. All right, I think the tires came off the ground. Let me watch the tape and see. All right, so on that second pull, I think the tires did come off the ground, but to make this work, I'm gonna have to have a little bit more weight. So keep watching. Hey y'all, so we need more weight. First thing I did was move that barrel back a little bit, but that's not gonna be enough. So I found some mortar mix and stuff in the shop. I'm gonna put it on the carrier and we're gonna try to pop a wheelie. Or break the carrier off, I don't know.
Or break the carrier off. I don't know.
Let's see what happens. You ready for this? A little more weight. All right, I added just a touch more weight. To snag a gear while it was in the air. I felt like Vin Diesel for a minute.
stupid.
Alright, y'all. So I can go through the gears with the front end in the air. I just don't have any control over where it's going. We'll see how long I can keep the front end in the air if the cameraman can keep up. Let's give it another whirl. Hey y'all, there's you a sneak peek of the not so smart truck. It is going to be hilarious. Video coming soon on that. Alright, so we made it do wheelies. It didn't do them great, but it did do them. And look, my buddy at work, we were talking about the truck. He said, man, you hook a trailer to that thing, it'll probably pull the front tires off the ground. I said, Johnny, you just gave me an idea. So that's where this video came from. So, video coming soon on the not so smart truck. And then this truck is going to live at the farm because I got to get some stuff out of here to make room to build the Keyfarm monster truck. Not really a real monster truck. I know what you're thinking. Kind of a hillbilly monster truck. Either way, it's going to have 4 or 5 foot tires on it, and it's going to be amphibious, and it's going to be awesome. So hey, stay with us. I'm Chris from Keyfarm. Love God, love people. And watch some of these other videos. There's bound to be something really cool here that you've missed.